Hi, today I want to show you how to generate a map with your holiday photos. Here, for example, this is in Vietnam, and I have uploaded my photos to Flickr and use a script to generate the map. So you can see the photos at the location. When I click on one of the photo, you can see a preview here. Click on this and I can see the entire photo here. So the paths are connecting the photos based on the date. So basically I travel from one location to other location. I've got the date here as a name and also some description of the location. This I fetch it from OpenMap. I've done a video for this in December 2017 and my script was uploaded to a public server. Unfortunately, the server is no longer available, and today I want to show you how to run it locally. First, we have to upload some photos to the Flickr. For demonstration, I just do it quickly with 3 of the photos. So just to go to the Flickr site, click on the cloud here, and I can drag and drop photos on here. I've got 3 for the demonstration. Just put it here and say upload 3 photos. Upload. So continue with photo stream. Now the photos are here. Now I can create an album for this and new album. So let's call it KML. That's a keyhole markup language demo. Now I've got 3 photos here. These are just uploaded. Now to be selected. So I put on the album. Then save it. Go back to main page. So if I go to album here, I can see my new album is here. I can click on the album. Then I can see my photos here. I don't want to go to the details. You can check out my older video in which I have shown you how to set the permission to give the access to the public or just leave it private. The next thing is we have to set up a PHP server. So I found this page here. There is an instruction for setting it up. I don't know much about this. I just follow the instruction. You have to download the Engines app and the PHP server from this side. So basically from here and here. I've already downloaded and put it on my drive. No installation is required. I'm using the 1.24 version. And the first thing is I have to go to the config file to do some configuration according to my locations. So let's have a look to the instruction here. So the most important part is the PHP here. And so now go down to PHP here. I have to uncomment this line. And this is the root directory where I put the PHP file. In my case, it's work www. So, and this one I'm using 9999, and this here just and this one I'm not going to pretend I know anything about this. I basically copy it and put it here. So I hope this is correct, and of course uncomment this line and uncomment this here. So it looks correct. Close and save. Now we got the engines configured, and I need to go to the PHP. I'm using the PHP 8.3.3. When you open it, there won't be a PHP ini file. So I'm going to copy the development ini file and rename it to PHP ini. And now open the file with an editor. I still need to do some modification here. This is not mentioned in the instruction on this website because this is about OpenSSL. One thing I need to change is the extension there. So let's search for extension directory. So let me put this here. And the next one is OpenSSL. So here I need to uncomment this one to load the library. And one more thing is the max execution time. Because I need to fetch a lot of data from the internet, it takes quite a while. So I am going to increase it to 300. Now save it. And now the next thing is you have to download the PHP script from my Google Drive. I have already created a shortcut for this. I will put it in the video description. So there is a zip file and there are two files in there. There's a batch file to run the engines and PHP server. I've already downloaded. Yeah. So this is the one in the zip file. Also very important, you need to get a Flickr API key. And after that, you have to put it in the script here. So, and I'm going to run the batch file here. So you can see the batch file is changing the directory to the executable file and then start the engines and run the PHP server on the port 9999 using the PHP ini file. Of course, you can change the batch file accordingly. One more important thing is I want to show you after you running it, always press Ctrl C and say no, do not terminate the batch job in order to kill the engine's task in the background. So then you can stop it cleanly. So at the moment, I've got a hard-coded path here for myself, but you can change it accordingly. If I press Ctrl and click on it, so you can see my file is running, but this one won't work because it's just a demo. I've got one already with my API key, so let's run that one without the demo. So it should look the same. From here we can see we need to enter the user ID here and the album ID. Now I'm going back to my demo album. Here KML demo. Click on it. And on top here, this here is a user ID. Just copy and paste it here. And this is the album ID. Paste here. Now you can select the path for the map on the map connecting the photos. Let's say I select green. And now click on submit. After a while, it will pop up, ask you to save the file. And in our case, here is called KML demo and with the album ID. Now I'm going to save it here. The file is done. If you have many photos, it will take a while to finish the file. So basically, after you entering your file name, it starts generating the file. So now I have to go to Google Map here. And on the left hand side here, save map, maps. And as you can see, I've got many maps already created. So create map. Now I can give it a name, demo, save, import, and get the file we just generated, the KML file. So you can see it's in Thailand, Bangkok here, and here is a market, floating market. If I click on it, I can see it, but I can't click on the photo. But one thing you can do is you can click on the preview, then you will get another interface. So click on the photo, click on here, then you will see the full size here, and go back here, For example, click on this floating market, then I can see the photo here, and I also get a share link here. Click on it. Let's say I want to share it via Facebook. I can't share it. I have to change the permission. Anyone with the link. Done. Now try again. Share via Facebook. Okay, then it will pop up with the Facebook page. That's all about creating the map using local PHP server. This is nothing new. This is basically exactly the same what I have done in the previous video, but unfortunately the public server is no longer available. I hope you find this video useful. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.